Best replacement casters for office chairs. As you shop for the perfect office chair, you are probably busy deciding between what type of leather to get or whether you should jump on the ergonomic chair bandwagon. Chances are that you haven't given much thought to the less glamorous parts of office chairs, such as the office chair casters. After all, how many different casters could there possibly be? The answer: plenty. With that in mind, we have compiled all the information you need to know about replacement casters for office chairs into one convenient reference guide. What are office chair casters? Essentially, a caster is a wheeled device that is mounted to the bottom of each chair leg and allows the chair to easily move and roll. The basic components of any caster include the mount, stem and wheel. There may be additional parts depending on the type of caster and its intended use. OPTTICO office chair caster wheels. Rollerblade style heavy-duty computer chair casters with soft rubber wheels. Tired of your old clunky chair wheels? 100% safe on any surface. Avoid costly floor repairs with our premium rollerblade style replacement chair wheels. Easy to install and universal fit. 5 minutes, no tool installation. Premium materials and rock-solid construction make these 3-inch office chair replacement wheels the strongest. Ridiculously quiet. No more squeaking and rattling. Replace your standard plastic casters set and stop worrying about disturbing anyone. These rollerblade-style casters with premium double ball bearings make chair rolling silky smooth and quiet on any hard surface. Cool, modern, attractive. These gorgeous black casters with clear, see-through wheels will turn your favorite home office chair into attractive, modern furniture. Lifelong office chair caster wheels. Rubber chair casters for hardwood floors and carpet. Enjoy smooth and quiet gliding. These rubber replacement office chair wheels will relieve the stress of rolling on your office chair. A squeaky, rickety office chair wheel is a telltale sign that they're cheap and poorly made. Never get frustrated again. These caster wheels less smooth gliding be the new normal. Just glide from lower to higher surface with ease. Be calm and happy at work. Desk chair mat will not be needed anymore. These chair wheels replacement will never scratch, smudge or damage your floors. Enjoy a carefree, safe glide across wood, hardwood, laminate, vinyl, tile and carpet floors all day long. These are very nice wheels and appear to be very high quality. Easy to install and they operate very smoothly on hardwood floors. The company is also very personable. I highly recommend these wheels. High quality. The caster wheel's heavy-duty rubber design supports up to 650 pounds as a set of 5, the strongest office chair wheel. Oasis office chair caster wheels. Heavy-duty and safe for all floors. Rollerblade office chair wheels. Perfect replacement for desk floor mat, rollerblade style with universal fit. Casters you can keep for life. Entire support bracket and internal parts are made of high-grade steel, providing years effortless rolling and durability. Enjoy smooth and quiet rolling. Remain focused and relaxed with the help of these caster wheels. Precision ball bearings in the caster swivel and axle provide smooth, easy rolling while causing no squeaky sounds or noise of any kind. The heavy-duty design supports up to 650 pounds. These casters are designed with the universal standard size stem, so you can transform any task chairs or stools that roll into modern, striking furniture.